Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Mutants in Manhattan. As you see here, this is a game, and I'm just getting into it. Obviously, I've played this before just to make sure everything's alright, so yeah. Just to be safe, to make sure nothing crashes while I'm in the midst of recording. My computer can run this properly. I don't know what the settings are, I'm pretty sure it's just normal settings, I don't know. But if this is highest setting, then it looks really good. Also, if there is some audio mishap, it's probably because I was recording on the video, and then I realized the audio was a little too low, and then, yeah, that's the issue that happened. Anyways, as you see here, this is TCRI, one of the major companies in the TMNT world. As you see here, the Krang guy, and Shredder's meeting up. I decided to cut it, and the cutscene really kind of sucked, so I just ignored it. Anyways, as you see here, this is the city, and the city looks really nice. It looks a little comic accurate, as you can see here, which is something I really like about these type of games, is they take inspiration from a comic. I mean, that's what it looks like in my opinion. I really do like the textures. The realistic idea, I think would have been a better idea, but I don't have a problem with this either. As you see here, there's a bunch of dudes for me to defeat, and yeah, I'm destroying them, making them look like fools because of the baddest rapper in this rap pool. I don't really rap like that, I'm just saying that as a joke, but yeah, as you see here, I have a bunch of abilities, and I'm just knocking these dudes out one by one with my brothers. Yeah.
Where's the Flash game? Flash is too overpowered as a superhero, and only one real child part of the
Oh, that must have been tough.
So, yeah.
Not bad, guys. Not bad at all.
I seriously need to remind myself to not have this volume this loud, because obviously it's kind of messing with my recording, and that's why I had to double record it. So yeah, if you do hear my voice at a random time in the random recording the video, it's probably because I already recorded it, but yeah, I have to do a voiceover thanks to some audio mishaps. But anyways, just enjoy the video. I really love this game myself. The combat and everything was pretty smooth, no lagging or anything of that sort. I think this was made for lower end computers anyways, so yeah, besides computers back then weren't as powerful as they are now. And yeah, I think this is a good idea of playing older, not retro games, but older games in general, as your PC doesn't have to work as hard to try to play the game like, for example, Marvel Spider-Man. Yeah, if you have an older PC that's not capable of running good games, you're gonna have some issues. So yeah, just be on the lookout for that. But anyways, like I said, I love the combat and everything with this. I mean, the combo bar is pretty good. Also, the extra abilities that you can do, you know, hit people with certain powers that we didn't see. And obviously, this is a different, you know, take on the Turtles, but I still like this version a lot. And straight in your face, bro. Like, me personally, I wouldn't have gotten beat up by 4 Turtles. Like, that's my opinion, though. Like, I couldn't have let that slide. Like, I would have had to get up and try to do a sneak attack. Like, that's just me, though. But anyways, I destroyed them. Made them look like fools in this little TMNT duel. Because I rhyme every time I turn around. People keep one around. Why have to wait? Okay, anyways, let's get on with the video. As you see him trying to get to the bank to destroy Bebop and make him look like a fool too for being a criminal. Because, like I said, I don't like criminals in these games. Whenever I see a criminal in the game, you're going to be turned into something that's lame. Because criminals are lame. Yeah. Now this is actually something I like, something small, something interesting, but it's mysterious, different. As you see here, I gotta get those little mysterious orbs as they were talking about in the tutorial level that Master Splinter was talking about. So, yeah. And then of course, you see yours truly, Bebop, the guy that we don't like. I mean, we like Bebop, but yeah, Bebop's a little bit more annoying sometimes. Now, in some interpretations, like the 2012 cartoon animated series, I actually like that version. It was interesting, smooth, and just very overall pretty interesting. The way you can turn invisible and move around pretty quickly. I respect that. Respect to him, though.
Everything's upside down. Snap out of it. Thanks.
As you see here, I'm getting destroyed and destroying Bebop at the same time. And as you see here, all you see is me destroying this man, knocking him out, taking straight to town right now. And I had to do this again because I died, and yeah, that's what happened. So I had to do this all over again, which kind of sucks. And yeah, I do have to do better. And you see here, every time this guy's hit me, all you see is, ooh, I'm knocked out. But luckily, this version, you have 4 people, 4 turtles, 4 brothers, so you can pretty much do a lot with this compared to just single player games. As you see here, I'm hitting this man with a little freezing device. Yeah, still forgot what that's called. But as you see here, boom, bomb, boom, bam, pow, wham, a bunch of effects. I actually like this effect, and unfortunately I did die in this part. I kind of cut it out because I didn't want this video to be like 20 years long and then me having to work all night and trying to do this. So yeah, Master Splinter, that was a little harsh, dude. And that's just him being calm. But anyways, as you see here, this is take 3, I think, of me beating up Bebop. Knock him in the face a couple times because again, we do not like criminals at all. We hate criminals. Like, all you see is this man saying, ah! Because we don't like that, okay? We don't like criminals here. Yeah. That's just my opinion, though. You know, a lot of these criminals in these games think they're cool, but when it comes to me and I'm the hero in this duel, I knock them out, make them look like fools. Because when I rhyme, I don't waste no time. I'm always on the dime. Yeah, I'm not really that good at rhyming, but I'm really good at that perfect timing. Now, there's a song that perfectly goes with this part. And here we go. Okay, just excuse me for slightly using the wording in that song. Uh, um, anyways. Exactly what I thought. We just mollywopped you, dude. We made you look like a fool. You thought you were really cool trying to do this in this game, trying to be a criminal, dude. You got 4 turtles against 1 dude. It doesn't matter how big or strong you are. The 4 turtles will destroy you. Okay. This is TMNT. This is not nothing MNT. Because yeah.
Well, you're all wrong. Cause Bebop's the best there is.
Cap.
Just be.
Dang, not you just saying that, then hitting your head against the wall that you knocked out. That couldn't be me. Exactly. Like, me personally, I couldn't have got beat up by 4 turtles like that. That's just my opinion, though.
What is it, Don? Cash, and lots of it. But why rob a bank just to leave the money behind?
Nah, not you dropping the cash, bro. That's not even, like, that's not even cool, dude. Like, me personally, I couldn't have dropped that. Like, I wouldn't have done the criminal offense in the first place. Like if you're weak, just say that. Like, if you can't, like, walk around without getting beat up by 4 turtles, just say that. The way they just looked at him, like, I couldn't, Mikey, like, yeah, Dave, the way they looked at him, he just went like, never mind, let's just, cancel the order, bro. No.
You were right, Sensei. The Foot are involved in the crime spike. We ran into them right here. Not exactly where we normally expect to find them operating.
And it sounds like they're planning something big.
Why in every one of these things we have to disarm an explosive device? Like, seriously, what is it with this and that? Now, see, disarmed 1, and, yeah. And now, of course, we got run over by a train, which was not cool. Got revived by a few of my brothers. Yeah, exactly. Right in your face, dude. You thought you were going to defeat the turtles? Ain't gonna happen, bro. Even though you do get thrown around a lot in this game. Like, they're constantly just throwing me around. Give me shots from the... attack me from behind. Attacking me. Yeah, I destroyed them with ease.
Analyze that intel terminal. It'll help you find out what the enemy is planning.
Exactly what I thought. Exactly what I thought, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not letting you get by with like that, dude. I'm taking your terminals, I'm taking your information, and I'm gonna destroy you because we don't allow criminals in our cities, bro. It's not cool to be a criminal. Like, I don't know why these dudes keep doing that. They think it's cool, but me personally, nah, I wouldn't do that. I couldn't let that slide. There's the reason why there's heroes in this game. You know, we're not letting that slide here. Also, if you're this far into the video, you might as well hit the like button if you haven't. And also, if you have hit the like button and you watched this to this point of the video, thank you very much. Because hopefully, if you do like this video, hopefully you want me to post more content like this. You know, every once in a while I'm trying to do something creative, because you know that's literally my channel name. So I gotta do something that's different, not just the Flash, Spider-Man, stuff like that. I gotta add some new characters in, like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles or other characters, you know. Just something interesting to keep the channel interesting, not just to be the same thing over and over. So yes, for those of you who do like this type of content, thank you, and keep on liking and commenting and tell me what you want me to make, because obviously I will do it. I'll do the best of my abilities that I can do on this PC. So yeah.
That was close.
That's what you get, dude. You think you're really cool, okay, I was a little too much. Yeah. Anyways, just enjoy the video, enjoy the combat. I really tried to make this thing action-packed, so yeah, I hope you really like this a lot.
Yes, that did it! Get in there, guys! Try to find some clues as to what's happening around this place.
I can't move my limbs.
As you can see here, I'm destroying this dude. I'm making him look like a straight fool. Yeah, that's what I said. I'm trying to beat him in this duel. Bro, like, yeah. Bro, stop trying to smash me. Bro, nah, I didn't mean like... So... I'm destroying this dude. I'm making him look like a fool. I'm running around. It took me a second to get here because I forgot where I was supposed to go, and I used the T goggles or whatever it's called, and I found it. As you see, I'm destroying these foot dudes, foot people, foot clan people, I guess. So yeah. Again, the weapons do look a little weird. I mean, I don't care too bad about it. As here, the train's going all crazy, and then you see this dude trying to destroy everybody, and I'm shell shocked at the current moment. But another brother of mine just comes out and starts to slice this dude up, and in turtle fashion, we're about to destroy this dude. We're about to make him. Yep, here we go. I make that little healing circle so the brothers can walk around and fight without having to worry about getting knocked out. And I'm about to break them in 3, 2, 1. Exactly. Exactly.
Yes! Okay, finally.
That must have been tough.
It's gonna pop up the range though. Ooh.
Did you pray today? Because that's my question. Did you pray today? Wait. Never mind. Never mind. That was supposed to be a joke. Now he did nearly fully mollywop me, so I did have to give him a little break on that one because he did almost hit me with a, almost gave me that right hook or left hook or hammer or something like that. And I did use that little turbo ability, that roundhouse, I think. And yeah, I was just showing him, knocking him out, taking him straight to town. I did speed this part up because it was a little long, but yeah, I knocked him out.
Get a hold of yourself, man. Gracias, bro.
De nada.
Yo, phase dude. That was like the first try.
And I had this man on his back, like no, I meant where I defeated him. Rocksteady. I was talking about Rocksteady.
Sorry about spoiling your fun, Horn Dome, but ain't you a little too big to be playing with trains?
And he about to get one ran on you. Wait. No, I was talking about no. In a few seconds, he's about to get a train. He's about to get hit by, or I think he gets hit by a train or something like that. I think. Yeah. See? Wait. Hold on. Yeah, that's what happened. Wait, he didn't get it ran directly onto him, but you got the general idea, right? Right.
Whoa, just like a cute magician's bunny. Except, you know, he's a big, ugly, psychopathic rhino, dude.
What did the big psycho mean by just getting started?
No time for that now. We've got our own train to catch.
That was a cool sentence. But anyways, see you next time in the next video. And the creative
That felt cool.
is out.